Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to set up Emergency SOS on your iPhone, so you can quickly call for help if you ever need it. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Emergency SOS. Here, you'll see different ways to start Emergency SOS. First, turn on Call with Hold and Release. With this option, press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons together. When the emergency screen appears, release the buttons and slide the SOS slider from left to right to make the call. You can also turn on Call with 3 button presses. With this setting, pressing the side button 3 times quickly will start an emergency call. That's it! You've now set up Emergency SOS on your iPhone. A simple feature that can help you get help quickly in an emergency and could even save your life. Thank you for watching.